Hello! Greetings! Welcome to Diecast Car Toy and Anime Action Figure. How's everybody? I hope everyone is in good mood, good condition, and of course, good health. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have another beautiful Diecast Car Toy that we're gonna unbox today. And let's do this! Beautiful, nicey. I love it. But first, I want to say thank you so much to Mr. Pelis Orlando for giving me this diecast car toy. Is a CRX. He got me this one because he remember when he's growing up with my son. Orlando Felix is my son best friend, and he remembered that I have a CRX before. It's color black, 1986 or 88 I believe, and this one is 1988. Thank you so much, Mr. Felix Orlando, for the CRX, and I love it so much. Thank you. And this is the vehicle that we're gonna unbox today. This one is 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. 1969. There you go. Beautiful, nicey. Let's unbox this beautiful vehicle. Okay, there's any tape. There's one here. There you go. I think that's it. One more here. Okay. Believe it or not, I still get this one from El Paso, Texas. We went last week over there. Yep, that's where I got this beautiful vehicle. It's heavy. That's a heavy weight on it. Much possible I'm like getting this one the product because the reason he got this platform and everything, if you see that, you know, ready to display and everything, and the box is beautiful. I know I have some Camaro, and I like the color, simple but elegant. I think I need minus plus. I'm getting my special tools, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Okay. Oh, by the way, I just want to say thank you again to Mr. Felix for giving me the 88 Honda CRX. And thank you for your thoughtfulness. And I want to invite everybody to watch the second part of the video, that it's turntable time, regarding about this beautiful vehicle, and we're gonna talk more regarding about this beautiful vehicle, a little bit information in it, and we're gonna put her in the turntable time. There you go. There you go. Yeah, last week we are on El Paso, Texas. We help our son to move over there. He got reassigned on El Paso, Texas. There you go. So this is the platform. If you can see, there's a name of the vehicle, year, and what model, make. I'm gonna put this one on the side over here. And there's another 4 screw over here that we need to take it off. But the detail of the vehicle, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is worth it buying it, this kind of product. What's happening? You want to come off? Maybe I need a bigger one. Let's see. There you go. Remember, lefty lefty loosey, righty righty tighty. There you go. We got that. These screws are very sensitive, so when you unscrew on it, make sure, always be careful. You don't want to strip the heads of the screw, or else that's a big problem. There you go. Anyway, I just want to greet everybody happy Saturday. Today is June 1st. There you go. Beautiful. She's off on the second platform. I'm gonna put the second platform over here. Let me just close the hood. Nicey, nicey. I love it. I love it. Beautiful. And there's a small to support the trunk. There you go. Okay. This one is 1969, I believe. Hold on, let me see. Double check to make sure. Yep, 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Wow. And ladies and gentlemen, there's a weight on it. It's heavy. Okay. Oh, there's a tape over here in the center. I didn't notice that. The detailed. That's why I'm like getting this kind of vehicle. Actually, the price went up a little bit, but it's alright. You know, because sometimes they're worth it to get it because of the detail of the vehicle. And beautiful. Okay, we're gonna start in the front of the vehicle. If you can see the grille, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and you can see the plate number 1969. I believe those are, I don't know if those are fog lights. Look like they're fog light, huh? Check the bumper. Nice. The grille. Nice. This is the headlights over here. The grille is continuous like that. Nicey, nicey. See the color? Silver with the trim of black. And there's something in there. I cannot see. I think it's a Camaro or what of sign. See the nice combination, color silver and black. Let's open the hood. Wow, can you see that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? The detail, just like this vehicle. The silver, that's a carburetor, the big round in the top, and the black is red, and the front is, if you can see, it's very noticeable. It's the radiator. You know what? And at the same time, you can see the cooling fan over here, there. And Even the serpentine belt, you can see them detailed, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. And see that kind of gold to the left. This one is probably that's a boost master for the brake. Nice. I love it. Detailed. Okay, let's start in this side. Just simple, all silver with combination of the aluminum color, the rim, the rubber. See the color, there's a stripe red on it. Nice. She have a side mirror, and it's working side mirror, if you can see. The door latch right there. I believe we can open the door. Yep. Nice. This is the driver's side. If you can see inside, there's some shiny because the detailed, the shiny like sticking right there. That's a stick shift. I believe this one is a shifting gear. It's a manual transmission, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe we can see it better the other side. And over here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, nice. They forgot to put the 1969 over. Usually they put 1969. The exhaust, wow. And there's something in there. I cannot see that, too small. There's something written over there that I cannot see. I don't know what character is that. This is the backlight over there. Nice. Let's open the hood. Maybe the real hood is, this one's kind of tight in there. In the other side, only the difference is there's no side mirror, and there's some writing over here. I cannot see it. There's some running light. Nice, simple. Let's see if we can see the other side over here. There you go. Because we have a little bit more light. There you go. You can see the center console. That's what I'm trying to say. See this one? The center over there, that's a shifting gear. The dashboard, and this one, if you can see, when I turn the steering wheel, the wheel turn. You know, that's a big point plus over there. Oh, I forgot to mention the windshield wiper, the windshield, and you have the rear view mirror. If you can see, there's a rear view mirror right there. Nice, beautiful, simple but elegant. Now we're gonna check under the chassis. Oh, everything now is in here. See this red? In the front is the engine. This one is the transmission. This one's the exhaust going all the way there. There you go. Then the differential right here. See the silver in the middle? That's the drive shaft. Connecting over here on the differential. Transmission, drive shaft, differential, and this one is your gasoline tank. Nicey. I love it. Beautiful, nicey. And I'm looking that it's so detailed, but I think they forgot to put where's the gas cap. Maybe the gas cap is over. Usually, you know, one of these open and you put the gasoline on it. Nicey. So detailed. Wow. Okay, let's do the road test. It's rolling. Beautiful. It's rolling. Beautiful. Nicey. I love it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. And I want to say thank you again for Orlando Felix for giving me this 1988 Honda CRX. Thank you so much and appreciate it so much, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I just want to remind everybody, please, 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 if you're gonna ride, always be defensive. Bye.